Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So right now I'm actually in the middle of filming a video of a bathroom remodel that I'm doing. It started off with me needing to replace the toilet because of the septic being overflowed, and it turned into a painting and some other crap happening. So I ended up taking out the sink, and once I took out the sink, I noticed that there was a leak. And so now we are actually fixing the leak in order for me to finish the rest of the video. So I decided to make a short video inside of a video for y'all to see that I'm literally now sitting here fixing plumbing. So here we go. So what I did was I went to Ace Hardware. They hooked me up. I got some plumbing tape. Oh, I have another plumbing job also, just so y'all know. Like, there's several things happening right here, right now. We'll finish this one, but you'll see another one soon. That's why there's all this stuff in here. So this job right now requires this and this, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get this thing back together because I had to turn all the water off in the house. And yeah, so this is for a different job, and y'all will see what's going on with that one soon. All right, so now let's finish this part. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put some tape on this. I'm not a plumber, so I don't know how much tape goes on it. I'm gonna try to just get enough to wrap it around and go from there, okay? Hopefully I can get this thing to stop in the right area, because there is a piece that's supposed to go on here. That ain't the right area. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's what I have, okay? And let's see what I could do. Oh, so maybe I should have just did it that way. Hold it straight and then turn it till the piece tightens up on it. So that was a better version anyway. And where's my now 2 sets of pliers? My pipe. Oh, so here's one. Here's the other one. Okay. So I have to hold it with one. Hold that one straight. And then turn this one. Okay. Okay, that's tight. I don't know which way this needs to be. This one is up and it's off. So hopefully this one, I'm gonna go turn the water back on. Y'all let me know, scream now, if the water starts to just pour out of here, okay? So, don't play with me. Let me see if I can get up. I'm gonna set this bucket here just in case. Y'all let me know. Yell to me now. Y'all did not let me know in time. I blame y'all. Yup, that wasn't right, but I totally blame y'all. Again. Okay, so it's not leaking, but now everything's leaking. Let me clean up this damn water. But, y'all, it's fixed. That is fucking hilarious. Okay, so thank you guys for coming to my channel. Let me get the mop. Go with God. This is some